Yo, what's going on, guys? All right, just got to Jacksonville, Florida. As you can see, we got hit with a little bit of rain, but they just built this brand new park called Artist Walk Skatepark. It's right under an overpass, so I think it'll be dry. I haven't been in there. Park looks really sick from the photos I saw, so should be a fun day. And yeah, let's go find out if it's dry or not. Park looks incredible. This place is actually huge. I mean, there's so many obstacles, I don't even know which one, like, where to start. So many different ways to, like, cruise around, different things to hit. Look at this. And this is just like one little section. There's a bunch of them. This little wall is so much fun. You guys can't see, but there's a huge puddle right here. So I got like this much run up. Oh. Okay. Why do I feel like I'm gonna eat it? Holy moly. All right. I've never been good at this trick. I don't even know if I've actually done one. Oh! Yep. Ah. Wow. I boomeranged straight into my ankle. Oh, yeah. Okay, I gotta keep an eye out because I think I was drifting up. I almost hit the top here. Oh my God. What am I doing right now? Oh, man. All right, well, despite those slams, that obstacle was really fun. I could probably mess around in that thing all day. Something I'm noticing though with my legs, as I get older, I have to stay way more on top of just, being active and skating all the time. And, if I take a couple of weeks off, my mind just wants to go exactly back to where I was. So I'll just skate super hard, try a really difficult trick. And then now, 4 days after I started this daily vlog thing, I'm starting to feel that soreness like creep up on me. It's like a weird spot in my knees, just like from putting so much pressure, trying a trick over and over. Yeah, starting to tighten up a bit, but I mean, we can still move around, so. Not the end of the world, just something I'm thinking about. This is the perfect quarter pipe to learn a trick on. Ow. Oh yeah. Nice. Okay, there we go, there we go. Ah! Oh my God. Ow, you. Ah. Ow. Ah. Oh. Yeah. I love concrete. I should have stuck out. Nice. First new trick I've learned in a while. Could definitely clean it up, but it's crazy. I feel like I've only done like skated 2 obstacles here, but I feel like I've had a full day of skating from like all the attempts and a couple of pretty bad slams. Remember earlier I was talking about that pain in my knee, just like from jamming my foot down for a trick over and over? Yeah, that's exactly what I was doing on that last trick, and I feel it now.
Shit, there ain't nothing good enough.
Come on, let me see something.
I mean, I guess I could try like a little front Smith or something on the quarter pipe. All right, I'll come around with it. So, just real quick, I won't make you break down any YouTube videos or anything. So, I can do 50-50 to fakie, but I kind of cheat and I like do the little like power slide. Like I don't do the lift up, like the 5-0 one. So if I want to get into like 5-0s to fakies, should I learn like that stall to fakie first? Definitely. Yeah. Because I was messing with like salad grind to fakie. And like, you know, really bringing it over towards like a blunt. And I was like, maybe I can just kind of.
I mean, you could do it that way, but it doesn't long term and consistently, it's like
get that stall.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, like you'll get it, but it's tougher to.
It is, because I'm like really slow. I'm almost like power sliding in.
So you can feeble fake you back.
Yeah. And you know what's funny? I can do the little bullshit thing where you go like this. I'll do the psych out and I'll lift it up, but I won't put it down.
You can do it. Come on, man.
I just gotta not
do it right now.
Fucking, it's so weird. Going back, I just don't know how to like bend my back. That's the problem. I don't. The falling of the weight back in.
Yeah, it's all right. So it's basically like think about it like a rewind.
Okay.
So I'm going up.
Yeah.
Push it, and then I'm bringing it.
And then just
right? And so everyone kind of goes to come in, and they jump this way because they're not coming back with it. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah. Watch, I'll film you doing just so you can even see. Oh, you got it. That's it.
Okay, I just gotta trust myself. Okay. That's such a weird feeling. Oh man. Alright, I see what you're saying.
It's right there.
Go really well. Okay. Yeah, it really is like a rock.
It really is.
That's so weird. I would have never like wrapped my head around that. Oh my god.
Next one. Very close.
Dude.
You got it.
How is it not long? Why is it teasing me?
That was it.
Thank you. Made my day.
That was perfect.
Thank you, man. Appreciate you.
That was awesome.
Hey, I cannot complain about today. I really did not realize that it really is just like.
Once you think about it that way, it takes the fear out of it. You're just like, wait, I'm scared of rock fake. Yeah. But yeah, and
that's
you could
funny.
also think about slipping your wheels in, which makes it a little more comfortable.
I would legitimately do this for so long. I would just be like, and be like, maybe I can do it. And I would just keep practicing that.
Yeah.
That's hilarious. Thank you.
Dylan, right?
Yes, sir.
Nice
Good
meeting
memory.
you. Good skating with you.
You out?
Yeah, I'm out.
Nice
here.
meeting you.
I'll
Man.
see you
Hell
next
yeah.
week. Shout out to Dylan landing his first feeble fakie. That was awesome, man. Never gets old watching someone learn a new trick. He got me psyched actually. Right after I went back and landed that or redid that half cab 5-0 shove it in. So that'll be up on my Instagram, the cleaner one. But yeah, he got me pumped, and I think I'm gonna call it for the day because yeah, just my knee's not feeling so good. Just gonna rest it up and go back at it tomorrow when it's nice out. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.